guys, so me and the beast, as you can see, are packed up to go to my mum and dad's for Christmas. Hopefully Pippa's going to be joining us, so you might see her in this vlog as well. We've just been on a little dog walk and now we're strapped into the car and we're just gonna, this camera's wobbling a little bit, so I apologise. As you can hear, Woody's ready to go. It started to rain, it's gone very grey and very windy, so we're going to blast some Taylor and we've got like a 2-hour drive ahead of us, so let's go. So I have, oh bless you, bless you. Got home, I'm currently watching The Grinch. I am waiting for Pippa to arrive. The Woodster is here and also on my bed for me coming back. I've got a little jelly cat, a little jelly cat reindeer. And I think he's called Romy, the reindeer. Yeah, a nice little surprise pre-Christmas gift just on my bed, and that is something that I can snuggle with. I think Woody is quite interested in him though, hence the chaotic filming, because I'm trying to keep it away from him. Just wait for Pippa to arrive. I think she's about 2 hours away, so we'll catch up when she gets here. Okay, so I don't know if you can hear me because I've got my cheap Amazon headphones in, but we are on a run. This is the location and I think I'm about 7k in, and yeah, we're just gonna see how far I want to go today. Okay, I have been up since 5. I did have a good night's sleep last night though, and it's Christmas Eve. Happy Christmas Eve. So I still have my retainers in, and I think me and my mum are gonna go pick up the veg and the food from the butcher's today for Christmas dinner. We'll be prepping all that for Christmas Day tomorrow. My brother and sister-in-law and nephew are leaving today, and my grandma is coming over. I'm gonna go get a coffee this morning, I think. And this vlog is gonna be very hit and miss because I've just been trying to enjoy spending time with everyone, so I've not picked up the camera loads. So I'm just editing a video now. It is 7:15, so I'm gonna go downstairs at 7 and go get a coffee. I don't want to go up before then though, because my little nephew isn't allowed to get out of bed till 7, so I don't want to disrupt him. I think he might be watching TV in bed if he's awake, so we'll see. I've got my spot patch on as well, and also look, my mum got me this Jellycat reindeer for my stay back home, and he is just the cutest little guy. I will catch you, I'll take you into town with us maybe, and you could see what we're gonna get for our Christmas lunch. Dinner? Lunch? I don't know. I need a coffee. I'll see you when I get a coffee. Okay, so Mum was ill, so it was just me picking up the stuff from the butcher's and the veg shop. I also picked up a little gingerbread man for my nephew, and then now we're just gonna head home, and there's a man in the car next to me watching me, but that's fine. We just got like a turkey crown, one lot of pigs in blankets and some stuffing. We don't have the rest of the family coming this year, so it's just gonna be a small one, to be honest, and then got the veg from the local veg shop for everything. So out of breath, and I don't know why. So I think this afternoon me and Mum will prep all the veg so we don't have to do it tomorrow. It's just like a case of heating it up. I need to parboil my roast potatoes, and then they will be ready to roast nicely tomorrow. Head back home, see what my nephew's doing, my brother, sister-in-law. I'll probably just have like a slow one today. I'll probably take Woody on a dog walk. I don't really fancy going on a run today because it's quite warm actually, but it's quite rainy, so I think it'll be a dog walk weather if Woody wants to do that. Oh my god, why am I like so out of breath? And then we should all be ready for Christmas. I don't know what it is, guys. I'm just not feeling Christmassy this year. Like, I've barely listened to any Christmas songs. I think I probably listened to about 4 Christmas songs. Not watched really any Christmas movies. I did some gingerbread baking the other day, but I've not even made Christmas puddings this year. That was a really noisy car. Might put some Christmas songs on the way back. I'm just more in the mood for Taylor Swift, to be honest with you. So I will catch you when we're back home, and I'll show you some of the bits that we picked up. If you're interested in that, will you be interested in that? I could have probably shown you what I've got in my Rituals advent calendar. The past few days I've got hand cream, a full-size lip balm, and then I got a perfume today, and that's the last day. It actually smells really nice, and I wish I wouldn't have got the advent calendar because there's like a lot in it now what I want to actually buy, which isn't a bad thing, but also Rituals is really expensive, and I'm like, do I actually need all this? Probably not, but now I've used it, I can't go back. Like, their body oils and like body scrubs are so good, and my skin has never felt so soft. Anyway, right, stop yapping, gotta get back home, get this in the fridge, and we'll start prepping it. So I'll catch you when we're back home. Me and the beast have just come for a walk because the cookies are cooling. Me and my nephew have just been making some cookies, and then I thought we'd just get some fresh air. Would you come in? I think there's a car coming past. Just come for some fresh air because I'm not going for a run today, and it's actually gone really nice outside. It's gone quite sunny because it was really rainy this morning. So I thought we'd just do some me and Woody time because I think he's been feeling a little bit neglected, that I've been spending some time with my little nephew and he's kind of been put to the side. We've just, like I said, been baking cookies, wait for them to cool, and then I think my nephew's out on his little like tractor that he got for Christmas, and me and the beast are just on a nice walk now, but I don't think he actually wants to walk, so it might be a case of me dragging him along. You can't go over there, sausage. And then we'll go back. My dad's picking up my grandma. We'll probably have some time playing with her before my brother has to leave. And yeah, it's just going to be a chill rest of the day, to be honest with you. Do you guys have any Christmas traditions? We don't really have any traditions at Christmas. Like, different family come over. We might do like a walk on Christmas Day. But tradition-wise, like bar putting like the Christmas songs on, we normally put them on like a CD player because we've got like old CD like cassette things, but I think the past few years we've just been putting them on Spotify, so we don't really have any Christmas traditions. We have like your standard like Christmas dinner, that's about it, to be honest. When I think of it, you always think that you have quite a few Christmas traditions, but I don't think we do. So if you have any, name them down below. I love finding out what other people do at Christmas. And I think I'm just jabbering now, so I'm gonna just show you some of the scenery because it's really nice around here. And I'm not going on a run today because I think my knees need a little bit of a rest, and it's Christmas. I'm just taking a break and just bringing Woody on a walk instead. I don't think I'm going to go on a walk tomorrow either, Christmas Day. No, a run tomorrow. I'm just taking this time to rest and recuperate and fuel up for starting back, to be honest with you. But yeah, so no running today. It was a really nice run yesterday. Very incliney, but lovely views. So I will have probably inserted some footage. I will have probably shown you guys what bits of that run looked like yesterday, which was really nice. But it's nice just to be walking instead of running for once. What else we got?
Oh, hey, you're going down. You have to slow down.
One.